Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I welcome everyone to class 9 mathematics chapter 6 lines and angles exercise 6.1 part 2. Students, now we will start with theorem 6.1. If two lines intersect each other, then equal. Here we have to prove angle AOC equal to angle BOD and angle AOD equal to angle BOC. Here AB and CD are two intersecting lines at O. They lead two pairs of vertically opposite angles. So first we will prove angle AOC equal to angle BOD. For that we can take ray OA that stands on a line CD. So by linear pair axiom we can write angle AOC plus angle AOD that is equal to 180 degree. That is the first equation. The same way we have to take ray OD. It stands on a line AB. So we can write it as AOD plus BOD that is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. From these two equation, angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. From these two equation, angle AOD is common. So we can cancel that angle AOD and angle AOD we can get cancelled. So we can write it as angle AOC equal to angle BOD. First part we have proved. In the same way we have to prove the second part, that is angle AOD and angle BOC. For that we have to take ray OC and OB. So we can prove similarly angle AOD equal to angle BOC. Exercise 6.1 first question. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, we have to find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. First, in given, angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. So, here AOC plus COE plus BOE equal to 180 degree. So from this we can take AOC plus BOE, that is given condition, that is 70 degree. So we have to apply it here. 70 degree plus COE equal to 180 degree. So the 70 degree comes this side, means that is angle COE equal to 180 minus 70, that is, so angle COE equal to 110 degree. Now angle BOD and angle COA are vertically opposite angles. So we can write it as angle AOC plus COE plus BOE that is equal to 180 degree. So now AOC alone, that is 40 degree. Here we find out that is vertically opposite angles. So 40 degree plus 110 degree plus BOE equal to 180 degree. So 150 plus angle BOE equal to 180 degree. This 150 we can bring it to this side. So angle BOE equal to 180 minus 150, that is angle BOE equal to 30 degree. Next we have to find out angle DOA. Angle DOA we have to find out. For that, angle BOD plus DOA equal to 180 degree by using linear pair. Already we know BOD is 40 degree. So 40 plus angle DOA equal to 180 degree. In the next step, we have to bring this 40 to right hand side. So angle DOA equal to 180 minus 40, that is angle DOA equal to 140 degree. So this side it is 140 degree. Angle here DOA equal to 140 degree. Next, we have to find out reflex of angle COE. Already we know reflex angle, that is 360 degree. 180 to 360, that is reflex angle. So reflex of angle COE, that is equal to angle AOC plus DOE plus BOD plus BOE. All the angles we have to add. So 40 plus 140 plus 40 plus 30. So reflex of angle is 250 degree. In another method also we can use angle COE value we know that is 110. So 360 minus 110 you will get 250. That method also you can use for finding the reflex of angle COE. Second question, in the given figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O if angle POY equal to 90 degree and A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. Find C. So first we have to write given, that is angle POY equal to 90 degree and A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. In the next step, we have to write POX plus POY that is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. In angle POX that is A plus B. So, angle POY plus A plus B equal to 180 degree. So, A plus B equal to 90 degree. Next, A value they given A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. So, A value we can take it as 2x and B value we can take it as 3x. Okay, they are given in ratio, so we have to write x. So 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree. So 5x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 by 5, that is x equal to 18. Next we have to apply in the given ratio, that is a equal to 2x. So 2 into 18 that is equal to 36 degree and b equal to 3 into 18 that is 54 degree. So a value is 36 degree and b value is 54 degree. Next we have to find out C. For that here we have to take ray OX. Here OX is a ray and angle MON is a line. So angle XOM and then angle XON equal to 180 degree. So already we know XOM plus XON equal to 180 degree. So B plus C equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. So B value is 54. So 54 plus C equal to 180 degree. So C equal to 180 minus 54, that is C equal to 126 degree. So the value of C is 126 degree. Third question, in the given figure, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ, then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. First, we have to write given. So, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. We have to prove angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Proof. Angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. So, angle PQR plus PQS equal to 180 degree. Next, PQR we have to bring to right hand side. So, angle PQS equal to 180 degree minus PQR. This is the first equation. Next, angle PRQ plus angle PRT that is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. The same way, angle PRQ we have to bring to right hand side. So, we can write angle PRT equal to 180 degree minus angle PRQ. In given, PQR equal to PRQ. So, we can write this as angle PRQ equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR. This is the second equation. From first equation and second equation, we can write it as angle PQS equal to angle PRT equal to 180 degree minus PQR. So, both the right hand side it is equal. So, we can write it as angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Hence, we have proved that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Fourth question. In the given figure, if x plus y equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Given x plus y equal to w plus z, we have to prove AOB is a line, that is x plus y equal to 180 degree. Proof. X plus y. x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degree. It is one whole circle, so it is 360 degree. Already in given x plus y equal to w plus z. So here instead of w plus z we have to apply x plus y. So 2x plus 2y equal to 360 degree. If you are taking 2 as common, 2 into x plus y equal to 360 degree. In the next step, we have to write x plus y equal to 360 by 2. So, we can cancel 360 by 2, we'll get 180 degree. So, x plus y equal to 180 degree. Hence, x plus y is makes a linear pair. Therefore, AOB is a line. Fifth question. In figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Given, we have to write POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. To prove angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Proof: ROS plus 90 degree, that is ROQ, that we can write it as angle QOS. ROS plus 90 degree equal to angle QOS. This ROS we can bring to right hand side. So, angle QOS minus angle ROS equal to 90 degree. Next, angle QOS plus angle POS. By linear pair, we can write this as 180 degree. So, we can write it as QOX plus POS equal to 180 degree. This 180 degree, we can write it as 2 into 90 degree. Instead of 90 degree, in the next step, we can write angle QOS plus angle QOS minus angle ROS. So, QOS plus angle POS equal to 2 into angle QOS minus 2 angle ROS. So, this one we can modify. So, we can write it as 2 of angle ROS equal to QOS minus POS. So, here it is in multiplication. So, if we bring to right hand side, it will become division. So, angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence, we proved this angle ROS equal to half of QOX minus angle POS. Sixth question. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. First, we have to write given, that is angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. This angle, it is 64 degree. Next, angle XYZ plus ZYP equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So, already we know XYZ equal to 64. So, 64 degree plus ZYP equal to 180 degree. So, we can bring the 64 to right hand side. So, it will become minus 64. So, angle ZYP equal to 180 minus 64, that is 116 degree. Next, YQ bisects angle ZYP. So, we can write it as angle ZYQ equal to PYQ, that is half of ZYP. Already we know the ZYP value, that is 116 degree. So, 116 divided by 2 equal to 58 degree. Next, angle XYQ equal to XYZ plus ZYQ. So, 64 degree plus 58 degree equal to 122 degree. Now, we have to find out reflex of QYP. So, reflex means we have to find out with 360. So, 360 minus 58. QYP value already we know, that is 58 degree. So, 360 minus 58 degree, that is 302 degree. So, reflex of angle QYP is 302 degree. I hope you understand this session. Thank you, students.